welcome to the Food and Travel Enthusiast channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this vegetarian dish. It's curry potatoes. So there you see I have some baby potatoes and I'm cutting them in little cube like shape just to have some uniformity in my dish. So while you're at it, if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, just to keep me encouraged and to turn on that notification so you not miss anything. So in a skillet you see I put about a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I put 1 clove of chopped garlic, and then you're gonna burn that for a minute and a half. So once that's burnt and it looks like this, then you can start to add your potatoes, and then you're gonna coat the potatoes in that curry flavor or curry powder, whichever one you like to call it. And so there you see I'm stirring it around. You're just going to get that nice and colored. There you see I've added a 1/4 teaspoon of unsalted butter, and just mix that around until the butter is melted. Once that is over, then you just add some creole seasoning, some sazon, onion powder, gonna add some black pepper, garlic powder as well, and then you're going to mix them together just to get the seasoning all over the potatoes. Also, let me know in the comments what other dish you'd like for me to cook, and I'll be sure to do that, and let me know where you're watching from. So there I put a 1/2 cup of coconut milk and some Maggi seasoning, and then you're gonna combine those together and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. And I'm going to be adding some pimento seed as well, and cover. After 7 minutes there, I'm going to be checking to see that it's not sticking to the bottom. You guys want to smell the flavor in here. It's delightful. Then you're gonna cover again, and within 5 minutes we're checking again. You can see that the coconut milk has been reduced. Pour a little bit of water in here or vegetable stock. Mix that together. And the potatoes do not take very long to cook because you don't want it to be too mushy. So cover it for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then now I'm adding some carrots to it. Stir. Cover, and then we're gonna check again in 2 minutes. So now we're gonna add our fresh herbs and spices to our potatoes. So we're going to add our onions, some bell peppers or sweet pepper. We're going to add some garlic, some green onion, and then we added some ginger, some ground ginger. You can just add however much you like to your tasting. You can even add some hot pepper here, and then you see I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to be adding some Italian seasoning as well, and I'll put a little bit of Creole seasoning again, and that's my all-purpose. Instead of using salt, I use that mostly. And I'm going to be adding some black pepper, some freeze-dried chives to that, and then you're going to combine all that ingredients and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. There you see I'm tasting it just to make sure my flavors are coming together very well, and I decided I needed a little bit more Creole seasoning, and so I sprinkled that on top and let it sit for a little bit. It hasn't come to a boil, and I'm going to be adding some smoked paprika to that, and then stir and cover for 2 to 3 minutes to give all those vegetables and onions to cook. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you see I'm checking it again I'm trying to get my liquid to be reduced so it has a nice consistency. There you see I'm showing you the consistency of the liquid. And now after 5 minutes it's reduced enough, and so you can see that the gravy is a small amount, and so then you can start to plate this with whatever you would like. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.